glue these.
Okay. So we're on day 8 of our rehab effort here. We're putting in some new PVC drain lines here.
We're gonna have to be like fucking
homeowner's best friend. Hate these old cast iron lines that get clogged up. Got a whole new sewer assembly here. And the way this was kind of hacked together is really messy. We're going to be able to eliminate a lot of the plumbing in the house altogether. We're going to rerun all of our supply lines with PEX. We had to do enough light duty plumbing repair that it made more sense to just rerun new PEX and PVC sewer lines. So really excited that I'm not going to have to worry about a lot of clogged toilets in this property. Having to do a little bit more demo work than I would like to support that, but gotta do what you gotta do. Not much going on the main floor right now. We did have to, or we planned to, but we demoed out the ceiling here, so we had access to all the plumbing. There used to be all kinds of crazy cast iron pipes and supply lines crisscross through here. So we're just gonna get some nice clean PEX and PVC runs. And the genesis of this whole thing was the upstairs unit. In my last video, I mentioned that that column in the middle of the kitchen was actually this sewer vent line. It's just completely asinine that whoever did this renovation didn't relocate that line, and instead they just put this column in the middle of the room. So we just got that sewer line out, and now we actually have a whole kitchen without this pole sitting in the middle like some kind of safety hazard. Continuing to do some renovation work in here. Everything's gone now. Ready to frame this in. Do a little bit of electrical work. We can relocate the sockets when we frame it out. Doing some more paint work. Getting ready for flooring. That back bedroom. But this is it right here. Knocking out this closet, and then hopefully demoing out this chimney as well. I'm pretty sure we can eliminate that chimney altogether, and then knocking out this this sewer drain line and the casing around it, or sewer vent line rather. Just going to be an amazing open feeling in this kitchen. Totally different feel to this whole unit. So this is kind of boring work. No one usually talks about putting in new sewer lines like it's amazing, but I'm pretty excited about it. Got our siding materials there. All of our roofing materials just got dropped off. We got some bad weather coming again, but hopefully we'll be able to get this roof, sometime in the next 4 or 5 days. So that's it. More exciting things to come.